Hello students, how are you all? I hope all are good and well. So in the previous video, we have to learn Dr. Dolittle learns animal language. So today we are going to answer the questions of this lesson. Question number 1. Answer the following questions. In the question number A, who was Polynesia? Students, tell me the answer. Yes, very good. Polynesia was a parrot. Next question. Why was the doctor excited? Students, tell me the answer. Yes, because he was surprised to know that animals had a language of their own and could talk to one another. Next question, question number C. What did Polynesia and the doctor do all that afternoon? Students, what they did? Yes, Polynesia gave the doctor some bird words to note down in his notebook in all that afternoon. Next question, question number D. What did Polynesia tell the doctor about animals taking without making a noise? Students, what's the answer of this question? Yes, Polynesia told the doctor about animals talk with their ears, with their feet, with their tails, with everything, so they don't make a noise. Next question, question number E. When did the doctor give up being a people doctor altogether? Students, what's the answer of this question? Yes, when the doctor understand and talk in animal language, he understand everything, then give up being a people doctor altogether. The next question, question number F. Which are the language parrot can talk? Students, now the answer is very simple. Yes, very good. Parrot can talk in two languages, animals language and people's language. Next question, question number G. What is the name of the doctor's dog? Students, tell me the answer. Yes, the name of the doctor's dog was Jeep. Next question, question number H. Who taught animals language to the doctor? Students, what's the answer of this question? Yes, Polynesia was taught animals language to the doctor. Next question, question number I. How do dog ask question? Students, how do dog ask question? Yes, dog asked question by using their nose. Next question, question number 2. Find out and write the following from the lesson. In the question number A, the words that mean is the porridge hot ate. The porridge that mean the words are kaka, ui, fifi. Next question, question number B. Something that means can't you see that it has stopped raining in dog language? So students, in this question, how to guess of rain has stopped in dog language? Yes, the answer is the way the dog twitches up one side of his nose means can't you see that it has stopped raining in dog language. Next question, Do you think the two things above as described in this passage could be true? Students, what do you think? Yes, the two things described in the passage could be true. Next question, question number 3. Gather information about how animals communicate. This question is for you in worksheet. So, in this question, you have to do sticks the pictures of animals and write the information about how animals communicate. So, do it. For example, if you write the information about honeycomb, so you have to stick the picture of that animal and then write 2-3 lines like honeycomb danced to tell other bees that they have found nectar. So this type you have to gather the information about how animals communicate. So students, this type you have to do in worksheet. Next question, question number 4. If you could learn the language of one animal, what animal would you choose and why would you choose that animal, and what about you talk? Write it in short. In the last time this question I was giving you in the homework. But let's see how to write the answer. So the answer is, if I could learn the language of one animal, I would choose to learn the loyal of a cat. I have a pet cat and I love her very much. Cats are very loyal friends of humans and they are very energetic. I would talk to my cat about my whole day, and I would also ask her about her day at home. Next question, question number 5. Who said to whom? यानी किसने किसको कहा? The first sentence is, did you know that animal can talk? Students, who said to whom? Yes, Polynesia said to the doctor. Next sentence, looks to me as though he were scratching his ear. Students, tell me, who said to whom? Yes, doctor said to the Polynesia. Next sentence, they talk with their ears, with their tails, with their feet. So students, tell me, who said to whom? Yes, Polynesia said to the doctor. So students, this type you have to write all the answer the questions. So students, I hope you understood all the answer the questions. So today's homework is do in worksheet. So students, you have to do gather the information about how animals communicate. So this you have to write and stick the pictures of that animals in worksheet paper and write all the answer the questions in your notebook. Thank you for attending. Thank you and have a nice time.